So tonight, starting today, sex education classes in battleground schools canceled. The school board voted to get rid of the sex ed curriculum, except for some health education that is required by the state.
What's behind all this? Lisa Balick, live in Battleground. I know you've been asking a lot of questions, Lisa.
Yeah, it's interesting. 3 people made this decision. It was a 3-2 vote in favor of scrapping sex ed. It's no longer going to be required at the schools here. The Battleground School Board had been looking for the past year at making changes in what was taught to update what the district says was medically inaccurate information in the sex ed curriculum. It was also looking at adding a unit on sexual orientation and gender identity. But the board has gotten a lot of pushback, including comments that the district is trying to promote LGBTQ issues and that schools promote sex by teaching about it. I talked with some people who liked the decision to ban sex ed from school curriculum, including some high school students who didn't want to go on camera. But others say sex ed is needed in the schools.
I think that kids, when they don't get the answers from home, they're going to go to their peers, and I don't think that peers are really the best resource for that type of information.
I don't agree with not having sex ed in school. I'm a medical professional. I think it's important. I've seen the negative effects of not having proper sex ed in school.
Battleground schools will still be required by state law to teach HIV and AIDS prevention each year starting in 5th grade, and it will still have a 5th grade unit on human growth and development. Like in most local school districts, though, there is and has been an opt-out option for parents to keep their kids out of sexual health classes. Now, state lawmakers up in Olympia starting in January are expected to talk about this issue, whether to expand the sex ed requirements throughout the state. We'll keep you posted on that. Live in Battleground, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.